Hey guys, what's up? It's Sunday and today I am trying to get the house clean and all of our chores done before the start of the week so that we can start it nice and, stress-free. Well, can't really say stress-free because I'm pretty much stressed all the time now. But I've decided that I'm gonna just try and take a couple of days off, well, a week off. But in doing that, I have to do I have a bunch of editing to do, a thumbnail to make, and just, oh, my husband's ordering lunch, and some emails to answer, a blog post to write. I'm super late on it. There's stuff going on. So I have my whole like gaming setup like right there, and it's like, it's kind of a mess. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a hot mess. So my husband and I are talking about like, if this like gaming channel situation gets a little more like serious, I'm gonna need to reconfigure the whole office, and I'm gonna need a new chair. This chair is comfortable, but I cannot sit in it for like 8 hours and game. And that's what I did yesterday. So I mean, for like 6 hours and like answering emails and stuff, it's fine, but for like serious like game playing, it's not great. And now I know why people have those like special gaming chairs. Now I know. I like attempted to do like a day's worth of like recording in there, and it was just not comfortable. So I don't know, stuff has to happen. So I don't want to like put the cart before the horse or anything, but it looks like I'm gonna have to reset that up for like my 2 different jobs, or I'm gonna have to set up something. Well, you know what? I'm just gonna have to reconfigure that for my 2 different, I guess, careers at this point. By the way, look at the Adansonii behind me. Like, she's a beast. Like, I got it at my birthday, on my birthday in April, and it's like just continuously putting out leaves and growing. The thing is a monster, but I love it so much. So this room is slowly becoming one of my favorite places in the apartment. And speaking of that, I do have to edit the apartment tour. So that's going to be something that's going to take me a while. So I've been sort of slow to get started, but I really got to get that under control today. And I'm going to vacuum some of the vents in the house. So just thought I'd take you with me on my, fun, ordinary prepping for the week day. So he is clean for the week. I don't think he's had a bath in like 3 weeks or so. But so he's drying slowly. But he got his walk and he got his bath today. Okay, it is Wednesday. I had to think about it for a second. I was like, what day is it? It's Wednesday. I just finished the live stream. I love talking to you guys on live. It is so much fun. But I have all this stuff. I have all this mess around me, and I need to go pick up my package. And I also pick up my package from downstairs. I also need to go get, I also need to go clean the fridge because the fridge is a little ridiculous. But I guess I've been sort of talking with you, sort of not. I don't know if I showed you my outdoor garden yet. So let's go look at that after I put my mess away. Can you hear the train? It's so loud. Alright, I got my boxes from Amazon. Let me get my box cutter. Let's open the smallest one first. I think this one has the laundry detergent in it. No, it doesn't. Oh, yes, it does. Wow, they sent it to me just in a box like this. This could have been a terrible explosion, but I got some Laundress signature detergent. This is like fancy detergent. I love it. Oh, it's sealed, so I guess it would have been okay, but still, that could have been like a really bad accident. This smells so good. If you've never smelled it before, you don't know what you're missing. It's so, oh, Clover's coming. Hello. This is not for you. So what else is in this box? This is, oh, this is a second HDMI to AV converter so that I can play the GameCube on my TV. So happy to have that. Oh, I know what this is. This is an adapter for my iPhone so that I can plug in both of like the power and a headphone jack. So that's cool. That's because I was gonna make a video and I needed this headphone jack to make that, to get the audio. So amazing. So that's one box. Clover's doing this unboxing with me. He's like right there. I don't know if you guys can see him. Well, you can't see him. Oh, here, he's coming into the frame. Hello. Okay, back up because this is a sharp thing here. Okay, let's see. Careful, buddy. I don't want you to get hit by the sharp thing, okay? Okay. Here we go. Tech stuff, and this stuff, more tech stuff. So, I forgot what I ordered. This is a hub for my computer, and I have a hub already, but this one has so many more ports. So, oh, this looks good too. Yeah, so it's a hub for my laptop. Here's where you plug it in, and then it's got USB 3, USB 3, USB 2, SD card, tiny SD card, and then all these HDMI ports. So another HDMI 2, and then this is the USB-C, sorry. And this is, I think this is like Ethernet and like something else, but I don't know. What is that actually? Oh, VGA. I don't know what that is, but I've been very excited about getting this. Oh, it says VGA. Duh. But I've been very excited about getting this because this is going to make my gaming channel and basically uploading to YouTube and editing a lot easier too, because the current port that I have right now for my computer actually sits, it's like it like attaches to my computer like this, and if this wiggles a little bit, like if I have an HDMI cable stuck in here, it's like kind of precarious. So this with this cord is going to be a lot more stable, so I'm excited to have that. This is the AC adapter for my GameCube. I mean, it's not like, it's a third-party AC adapter, but this is so I can both play the GameCube in my office and make videos, and also play it on the TV when I just want to like play for myself. So I'm excited to move that right there next to the other GameCube stuff. And let me pop these friends. And then finally, the grand finale is my Amazon haul, is this computer stand for my laptop. Yay! And it's got a fan underneath. So this is mainly for when I have my gaming channel, so that I can see the game video, and it's not gonna hurt my neck or anything like that. So I'm excited to set this up for my computer. So yay! That's my Amazon haul. It's all like tech things, but I am admittedly a person who likes gadgets, you know. The apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. My dad was a huge gadget nerd. I mean, still is, but he doesn't, you know, play with them as much as he used to anymore. So, but yeah, so that's where, also my grandfather too, huge gadget nerd. He had all kinds of like gadget, like nonsense. So I'm just living up to the family name. Okay. So now let's go out and see what's in the garden. I'm gonna keep these boxes because I'm gonna use them for something else, but we're gonna see what's in my outdoor porch garden. Do you wanna go on the porch? Let's go on the porch and see what's going on out here. I probably have to water some plants today. All right, let's go, buddy. Let's go, here he comes. He loves being on the porch. I do too. Ooh, it's hot out here. I don't like it. Uh-oh, who's that? Who's that? Okay, I got a mess over here. Don't look at it. But here, we got this. Oh, a train is coming. Boo. Okay, 100% the plants need watered out here, but I've got some like greens, lettuce greens. We've got basil and a couple more lettuce greens and cilantro. and a pepper plant. This is a habanero plant. Look, we've even got one little baby habanero, and then there's a Tom Thumb tomato plant. I think these are Tom Thumb tomatoes. Anyway, they look like they need watered, especially like these guys need watered. These herbs, this thyme, and this is looking real sad. So I'm gonna go and fill up that that watering can, and we will water the plants. Oh, I wanted to show you guys. My friend moved away to San Francisco, which I'm really sad about, but she left me with her Hawaiian tea leaf, and I am so happy to have a new plant friend. It's a super cute plant. And look, there's already like new leaves coming, and it came in this super adorable pot. So happy to have a new plant friend. I've never had any of these plants before. I think I forgot what they're called, what their Latin name is. I should put a little tag in there like I do with all my other plants. See, I have this says asparagus plumosus, so I remember what it's called. So I should put one in there too. But isn't that cute? So cute. He was just out with me in the hot, so now he's drinking water because it is so hot outside. Okay, the next thing I want to do before I start to do my, I guess, resting of the day is clean out the fridge and just organize it a little bit because it's looking a little ridiculous. Let's be honest. Look at it. Is that not? That's ridiculous. So I think there's some leftovers that need to be thrown away. So I'm going to work on this. Maybe I'll make myself a little iced coffee. But I will see you on the other side when I'm finished doing this. Okay, this is a lot less insane, and I can find things, and I put the mushrooms in a bag because I think that's how you're supposed to store them, just in a bag. But yay, refrigerator not as crazy as it was before, so happy about that. Clover, why you look so sad, buddy? Why you look so sad? Oh, hello. Oh, no, this is not for you. He's looking at this, and he's like, is that iced coffee for me? It most certainly is not. I think I'm gonna put this stand together, and then I'll be maybe done for the day. We'll see. All right, it's the next day, and I'm like ordering some plugins for Final Cut Pro. Look at the button. Look at the button. Doesn't it make you feel like you're going blind? Look at it. Look. What they have all been like this. All of these plugins from Pixel Film Studios. What is happening with your website? I love their products, but like what's going on? I'm still like doing editing here and doing stuff. This is like the third time I've restarted my computer today. Because when I install plugins, I have to restart my computer, and then one time it like locked completely. So I'm not having the greatest of days, frankly, and I am hungry. We've already taken Clover for a walk, and it's like gonna be 97 degrees today, so I have to make sure that I water the stuff on the balcony so that it doesn't like burn up. But this vacation is not going very well. Let's see if my computer will restart, and so that I can finish editing, because I downloaded the wrong plugin. I paid for it, downloaded the wrong plugin, so I had to like buy another one. That's okay. I don't mind having like the plugins on my editing software. I love it. It's great. But I'm just having a frustrating morning, so I'll see you when I'm done. I'm so behind on everything that I want to like jump up and scream, but the only thing I can really do to solve the problem is to just keep at it. So I'm gonna keep grinding. Gonna stop in a half hour for lunch, but I'm just gonna keep, well, I might just eat lunch here at my desk, but I can't eat with all this electronic equipment here. Like, look at the mess. What's going on, you guys? What's going on? So I'm in my closet making a recording of my 3DS for my other channel, and it's like, I don't like to be on the floor right now, but I got it done, so hopefully the footage will be okay and I'll be able to edit and get videos up today. So I guess as of right now, Friday, July 31st, I think I'm gonna be on vacay. And I got some news that I have my surgery scheduled on September 8th, And then Clover has a dental scheduled for August 17th, I think. So we've got some big events coming up in the future. I'm a little stressed, but what are you going to do, you know? So I'm going to try to relax and chill. But like I said in the live stream, I'm so thankful that you guys watch my videos and are interested in things that I talk about. And it just is, it's wonderful. It's all, you know, it's all wonderful. So I think I'm gonna get this edited and posted before the end of the day. Let's see what Clover's doing. I feel like he's sleeping. Oh, he's not here. Where is he? Oh, I had this door closed too. Clover. Oh, there he is. Hello, friend. Were you sleeping out here? Yeah. Hi. Hi, Guy. What are you doing? I got him this toy yesterday. It's an Eggs Benedict with, you know, it's on like a little English muffin, and the egg part of it comes off. It's Velcro. So this is super fun. He loves this. Oh, he's coming over because he can't resist. He loves toys. Do you want to play with this? Or do you just want me to put it down? He's like, stop touching my toy. Stop touching it. Okay, I'll put it in here. If you want to get it, it's in there, okay? All right. Everything's getting so big. It's so awesome. Clover, you want to come inside? Your head was sitting outside. You look very comfortable. You want to come inside? Or you want to hang out here with me? You look very comfy. Yeah. All right, enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna get to editing. I'm gonna make some coffee, and I will be away from the channel for a couple of weeks. I'll be back in a couple of weeks, I promise. I'm just gonna take a break from uploading and just really center myself and prepare to come back to you fully recharged. So I hope you have a great couple of weeks. I'll be here, I'll be answering comments and stuff, and I'll be on social media. I just won't be uploading, so feel free to, like, you know, hang out and chat with me there, and come to see me on my gaming channel. That's where I'll be uploading for the next 2 weeks. So I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.